What do a knife, a screw, and a wheelchair ramp have in common? They seem completely different, but they all share a secret identity. They're all variations of the simplest machine imaginable, the inclined plane, a slope. It's unique because it's the only simple machine with no moving parts. It works purely on geometry. Think about lifting a heavy barrel onto a truck. It's brutal, but rolling it up a ramp, entirely manageable. You're making a trade. You have to travel a much longer distance, the length of the ramp, but you push with far less force. That's the golden rule. The shallower the slope, the easier the push, but the longer the path. It's why steep mountain roads have switchbacks, zigzagging back and forth. They're just creating one giant, gentle, inclined plane for cars to climb. Now, let's get clever with this idea. Instead of moving an object up the ramp, what if we move the ramp into the object? That's a wedge. An axe head is just two inclined planes, back to back. You drive it forward with one force, and the wedge converts it into a powerful splitting force to the sides. A knife blade, a needle, even a simple doorstop, they're all wedges. The sharper the angle, the easier it cuts. And for the final twist, take that same paper-thin ramp and wrap it in a spiral around a cylinder. You've just made a screw. Each thread is part of that long, winding inclined plane. When you turn a screw, you're basically pushing an object along a very long, gentle slope. Screws with fine threads packed closely together have a higher mechanical advantage. They're easier to turn, but they take more rotations. And unlike a ramp, a screw relies on friction. It's the grip that holds it tight and fastens our world together. So, from a simple slope comes the power to lift, to split, and to join. It's an ancient principle hidden in plain sight, from the pyramids to the very zippers on our jackets.